Wildfires in the western U.S. really making headlines over the last several days, and here over the last couple of days, we've had explosive fire growth across California and even some fatalities, unfortunately. Now, this is a look at the satellite, the visible satellite, showing big smoke plumes drifting northeast from those wildfires near Redding and Ukiah. The Redding, California wildfire, at least the Carr Fire, has now grown to a size larger than Denver, Colorado. It is now about 104,000 acres and only 23% contained. Very unfortunate news, of course, with the fatalities and as many structures that have burned and that are still threatened. We still have critical fire weather concerns today near the Oregon and Washington state line. Red flag warnings and fire weather watches continue. It's very hot, very dry, very windy. And some of these wildfires are so large that they're actually creating their own weather systems, which is kind of fueling the flames. And the steep and rugged terrain is making it very hard for the firefighters to get to these locations to really combat the flames. Critical fire weather concerns, as I mentioned, in the western part of the nation, along with this excessive heat. And then we're also tracking some heavy rain in the eastern U.S. There's the excessive heat warnings and heat advisories, where temperatures here today will be well above average. Spokane up to 98, 102 in Boise. And for the firefighters near Redding, battling that Carr Fire, again, 102 degrees. It'll be 103 tomorrow. So just not really any let up in that heat just yet. We have a marginal threat of severe weather across the Red River Valley down into the Four Corners region, and then from the Ohio Valley to the lower Mississippi Valley. It appears that some strong to severe thunderstorms along with some locally heavy rain will be found to the southeast. We could be looking at some locally heavy rain of 2 to 4 inches over the next 2 to 3 days. Flash flood watches are posted there. Some heavy rain starting to march up into the northeast as well. Then your severe threat there on Wednesday.